Yeah. Ngicela imthele izandla futhi uThaliso the poet. Ngike ngakhuluma about dating poets ladies. Cabanga nje ungena bedroom. This is Thaliso the poet. Limkhuzi. But uThaliso uthe performer. He also inspired me ukuthi ngithande lokwe comedy ngizame ipoetry. Ama jokes anzima. So ngizazama uauditiona for 2 minutes nje ipoetry yami lami. Bengicabanga kuyi love piece emuva ngale. I hope ukuthi lami ngingakwanisa go something like this. Ngifisa ube umgabe empilweni yami. Ngifisa ube umgabe empilweni yami. Ngifisa uhlale ugqile impande lanxa ngingasakufuni. Ngifisa ube umgabe empilweni yami. Ngifisa ukuthi lanxa izihlobo zami zingikhuza ngawe omakhelwane bengikhuza ngawe ungihlukuluza ngikuthande kunjalo ngifisa ube umgabe empilweni yami. Ngifisa ukuthi loba uthatha imali yami usiya la etshwaleni usiyayidla labangane usiya ngapho yakhona uphenduka kungela mali yerent ngikuthethelele ngikuvikele kulabo abakusolayo ngifisa ube umgabe empilweni yami. Ngifisa ukuthi loba sengihamba ngamabhruku adabukileyo ngempahla ezimamvemve ngilambile ngihudula abantwana estradini ngithi ubaba uqinile usigcinile ngifisa ube umgabe empilweni yami. Ngifisa ukuthi lanxa ungasekho usuyi ex ngingasakucabangi ngiphinde ngikucabange ngifisa ube umgabe empilweni yami. So right about now I'm going to try and do something nje engathi incane nje iyachaza sibize this guy esimbizayo he's an affluent comedian. I particularly got flow for this particular gig so that I can announce this guy on stage. Lilamawala yikho lisingli liyatatazela. Give it up for Tijuni.
Green light, you know the deal. Green light, license to kill. Green light, as long as we real. Green light, stay out of the field. Green light, I got move. Green light, I came with a green light. Green light, I got it, yeah. Green light, I give myself.
Thank you, DJ. Woolawai Arts Festival, how we doing? How we doing tonight? Are you not entertained? Oh my goodness, I'm excited. I'm having a good time, man. Oh, the performers, let's make some noise for Skotka the poet. Now, where is he? Ah, he inspired me, man. I was backstage watching the set, and to me, it sounded like he was saying, Dijuni, Dijuni. Dijun. So I want everybody to ask Togo Zeni. Dijun. 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 Oh my goodness. Make some noise for Miss D. Make some noise for Miss D. Yeah. The first thing she said when she came on stage was she asked where all the single mothers at. I didn't see. Where are they at? Where are the single mothers? Make some noise, single mothers. Yeah, I'm getting paid for the next 12 hours I can be a family man. Oh my goodness. Thaliso the poet, make some noise. Oh my goodness. This was a great one, man. If I could understand emotions the way Thaliso understands them, I would become a poet immediately. I would be here like, I am Dijuni the comedian. You think I'm a single mother's what? Make some noise for Thaliso, make some noise. Oh my goodness. Every time people hear my voice for the first time, they always tell me that I should be in radio. And I don't know if it's because they like my voice or if it's because I'm ugly. No, seriously. When you look good, they always say TV, but then... yeah, Ntando does a lot of interviews. I was asking him the other time, is there anyone beautiful, who anything which ends with Metro, FM, any of these radio? Ask him when he comes. Oh my goodness. I was actually born in Kenya, and I lived in America for a while, so when I came to Zimbabwe, I had to learn as much as I could. But the real dream I had, the real thing I wanted to learn is how to become a Mpansula. That's the biggest, like I wanted the confidence of a Mpansula just to walk through town like, you know what I bought the suit, I bought the tennis shoes, I'm on my way. I want the confidence so that I can stand on a corner. Yes, sir. You see that? Mpansula confidence. Got a mic, but everyone is listening to him now. I want the confidence to be able to stand on the corner and not just be standing. Tijuni uyenzani. Yeah, you understand the confidence? It becomes a situation. You understand? I want the confidence so when I see a beautiful girl in town, you know, like a proper Kasi baddie, you know what I mean? Not the ones where I go BC, I mean the ones 6th Avenue. You understand what I'm saying? I want the confidence to be like, fair my sister. You know, like, it's what I'm searching for, man. But my father is actually a Shona man from the Shona side of the country, and my mother is a Ndebele woman from Cholocho. They got together in the 80s when the two tribes didn't like each other very much. No, it's true. The Shonas were like, screw the Ndebeles, and the Ndebeles were like, screw the Shonas. And my parents were like, Wele! Wele! My mother was like, it's fine, leave him with me. Leave him with me. And they made me in Zimbabwe, actually. But then I was delivered in Kenya. It's like overnight shipping. What happened was, I was actually born in Kenya among the Kisii people. And the interesting thing about the Kisii people is the women speak like women, and the men also speak like women. So if you come to a festival like this and you see Rasta who looks like he's from 6th Avenue, Atava Fest, ask some questions first. Because I got this deep voice early, very early on. So I thought I was going to be a legend. Because every time I would open my mouth and speak, an old Kisii man would fall out of the sky like, hey, younger man, kijana, ini sauti gani? That's how they speak. Ini sauti gani bwana? You're going to go places. And I did. I went all the way to Zimbabwe. I went places. I went places, man, and it's exciting. It's exciting because I finally got to go see where my mother is from. I finally got to go to Cholocho. For the first time ever, I got to go to Cholocho. And let me tell you, it was terrible. No, it was terrible. I got bullied the entire time I was in Cholocho. They made fun of the way I speak English. In Cholocho. No, you have to understand. In Cholocho. My own family. I asked my cousins for something. I just said, could I have some water? She was like, ooh, ikiwa ifuni war. Umlungu ifuni war. Pani ikiwa war. I was like, I thought I was saying the words the way I've always read them. W-A-T-E-R at the end. Cholocho taught me. It's actually W-O-T-A. The ara is silent. It's very silent. It's water. It's water. They tell me. I was waiting for my chance because I'm a comedian. You make fun of me, I wait. It's what? Which part of Cholocho are you from? But I was actually waiting. I waited for my moment. My cousin, she sent me to the kitchen. She was like, DJ, there's a little bottle of chemical in the kitchen. Go get it for me. I was like, yeah. Send him to a little bottle of water. I called the whole family. Uswahle ufuna a little bottle of water in the kitchen. And they were like, yeah, go get it. Go get. I was the only one who thought there was a problem. And I realized it would be like if I came here tonight, and let's say I made you very angry, and you're like, Kenya lawyers Strila Masimba. And I was like, no. It's Uyas Dryeller Masimba. You know, I know I'm not famous, but I want to trend just one time. Just one time. Can everybody just one time say Uyas Dryeller Masimba? But like I said, half my family is Shona, the other half is Ndebele. I wanted to impress both sides. And I knew what I had to do. My sister, she married a guy from the Shona side. So as soon as they had a baby, I practiced the whole day. I was going to go and I was going to congratulate her in Shona. The whole way there I was practicing. Congratulations, you're now a mom. Congratulations, you're now a mom. Congratulations, you're now a mom. And I got there and I held the baby in front of the whole family. And I said, Makorokota wa mama. Impressing people is hard. I practiced all day. History has a way of repeating itself. I learned that history has a way of repeating itself. Now I live this side in Bulawayo. I was dating a girl from the Shona side, just like my parents. One from this side, one from this side. And she had a very big heart. She had a very big heart. Yeah, 6th Avenue heart. She had a very big, she had a very big heart. When she broke up with me, she just told me straight up. She said, Dijuni, the reason I'm breaking up with you is because of your D. As a man, your D is too big. Your D is too long. She said she couldn't handle my D. It was very difficult for me. But as a Bulawayo gent, I understood that the distance from Harare, it's too big, it's too... The distance, what did you think I was saying? What some law thought I'm talking about? Distance. You know what? Since I've been back, though, there's one thing I haven't seen yet, and I was so excited because I heard about Mpostori's before I came to Zimbabwe. People told me, like, yo, they're wearing the bed sheets in your country, and I was like, no, I have to go see for myself. And I came here, and I saw them, and they were very beautiful. It's a very beautiful religion. But there's one thing missing. I've never seen a white Mpostori. I've been looking for a white Mpostori, fantasizing about the day when I'll see a white Mpostori. This is how I want it to happen. I thought about this a lot. Mazibaba. I want to see my first white Mazibaba on a bus with my grandma going to Choloch. I want to be sitting next to my grandma on the bus, and she'll see the Mpostori come onto the bus, and she'll think it's an angel. She'll think, Yingilos. She'll be like, oh, Tanam, Sengfil. Sengfil, Tanam. Sewetumele, Ingilos, Tata. And I'll look up, and the white Mazibaba will start preaching as he comes down the aisle. He'll be like, Vaberek. Tisata Sumuka. And my grandma would be like, Mtanami. Angfanga. Kaisonki los. Ngumshona kuphela. I make fun of both sides of my family. The Shona side, the Ndebele side. But the one thing I've realized that unites both sides is Shonas and Ndebeles are very, very terrible at naming children. Don't laugh. We'll start finding out the names. There's Heart Life Movie somewhere in here. economy Swanda. We know these names. Teenager Mashlang. We know these names. They're both terrible. But I wish we could go back to the system where your name would tell us what you did. You know what I mean? Like, if we could go back to that. I was thinking about this when DJ Mapurisa came to Zimbabwe. I was wishing he was actually a police officer. ZRP. It would be the greatest arrest of all times. I would want to be arrested. Because he wouldn't just arrest you. He'd first find you, and he'd put his turntables down. Actually, keep your ID, put it on the table. Then the arrest would start. Wasungwa. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dijuni. Thank you.
Yeah. I got him tired. Hello, give him a pum pum. So, listening to, the easiest thing about hosting a comedy show like Uba MC, akumelanga ube nama-jokes inzima nzima anti yapho ngikwenza khona amasimba anti yapho ngikwenza khona okwenza omunye ngike ngabona kulo yes nana hello hi ngicela imthayisa izandla bakithi nana look at you nqonqa kuzaba yicomedian lokho kuyabe kulahle phela thina silahlile so like I'm saying, it's very easy to be host of a comedian because you just write on what the other person just said and what they did and you just finish off, Kufana le ndoda ayisebenzayo yafika iqedisa ulova lapha atshele khona. So there's the whole fiasco right now about i-licensing ye-ZBC ukuthi kuthiwa kongona abantu abafuna ubhadala ama-license e-ZBC. Mina angina problem lokuthi sibhadala ama-license ku-ZBC. People are complaining about the quality of programs and stuff like that. I don't have a problem with the quality of programs because I'm making programs for ZBC. My friends are making programs for ZBC, even though we're not watching them. But we are making programs for ZBC. I've got a problem for paying a license for the quality of adverts in ZBC. Because if it was another country, I'd be okay. Because I'm out with Tankona. Ayahamba mnandi ngicela ungichobele okuyithambula lokho kulapho Chomlami okuyithambula khona lokho ukukhulu lokho utheceleni kwakho ngemva kwakho ngiqhubela khona because if you are paying for a license you want to watch an advert right from the hills of Uzumba Maramba Fungwa comes a handcrafted whiskey gracefully made over the years, tasteful and elegant. Gabriel's whiskey, a whiskey made for men that have stood the test of time. Not for sale for persons under the age of 18. Terms and conditions apply. Kodwa ama-advertises awabukela. Ngemva ubhadala ama-license. Bephonguba nje yiwo nje kuphela. Uthi usabukele imovie kaReston baye echazayo khona phana kudutshulwana uReston la ethutha ngobubi ngapha kusenzakalani kuphonga uxokozelwa uNyandoro elunguza ukhawusa office nathi tiye khoneni ibisingena i-advert Big John Miripiri, Big John Miripiri, Pasadza, Big John Miripiri, Big on your rice, Big John Miripiri, Big John on your chicken, Big John Miripiri, me Badovirako, Big John Miripiri, Big John Miripiri, Miripiri, Imatsawira. That was China. We're going for a break. The Kingston's crew will be entertaining us right now. Let's get some food over the corner. with some Gabriel's Whiskey and Big John Miripiri. We'll be back after these messages. Sure, DJ Sambe khona ku break le King's Dance crew yethu zikhale zikhalile ke sike sigide kancane. Dance Kings, ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause as we take a 10-minute break and pull up Mr. DJ as we do this. We are live right here from Makokoba, Stanley Square, Stanley Hall. Poetry meets a comedy. PAF 2025.
What is it you want from me? I got a job for you, and I know that you are the man for this job. Oh, well, I do the job for no one but my boss, so you better get someone else for it. Listen, I do not take a no for an answer. You got 5 seconds to change your mind. And yeah, you got 5 seconds to take your hand off my shirt. And if you've done your research, you know I'm not one to play with. So do yourself a favor. Listen to me, this assignment I got for you is not no bullshit. Pays very well. You should do it. Don't let this complication come between me, you and your boss. Alright, what's the job? It's very simple. All you got to do is take this package to the my boss, Mr. Frank Martinez. Meet him at Halfway Tree by the clock at 10 p.m., not a minute later. Alright, on one condition. I drive my own car. What is it you want from me? I got a job for you, and I know that you are the man for this job. Oh, well, I do the job for no one but my boss, so you better get someone else for it. Listen, I do not take a no for an answer. You got 5 seconds to change your mind. And yeah, you got 5 seconds to take your hand off my shirt. And if you've done your research, you know I'm not one to play with. So do yourself a favor. Listen to me, this assignment I got for you is not no bullshit. Pays very well. You should do it. Don't let this complication come between me, you and your boss. Alright, what's the job? It's very simple. All you got to do is take this package to the my boss, Mr. Frank Martinez. Meet him at Halfway Tree by the clock at 10 p.m., not a minute later. Alright, on one condition. I drive my own car.
We've got the stars. We've got the stars. We've got the stars.
What?
And we've got the power.
I don't get that
Oh, mommy, don't leave me, go Dubai. You're the one I want. Can do this on my own. Oh no, yeah. Buy you anything you like. Roses and diamonds. You're the one I want. Oh nah nah, yeah. Girl, I need you to decide if that make them jealous of you. Now you I want got up on you. Hey, and I need you to be mine if that make them jealous of you.
candy gate, down the one candy gate.
If it's not about the money, then it can only be about us. If you wanna be with Peter Pan, you don't need to talk about trust. But no doubt go when you're lonely. It's a cycle, like a rollie. Even I know it's a warning. For you, I put everything on hold. It can wait. For now, I tell them it can wait. My time, tell them it can wait. I booked the table for two. Yeah, it's a date. Now I'm with you, gaga. It can wait. Yeah, yeah. Nakana moyo wangu wada iwe. Hana yangu inoroa pangu eke.
Call man. Sama Lisbeth. Skete se la sali raftel. Se man cash contant. Shanda pa. Ana maratona gata. Cash contant.
Put your hands up in the sky, in the sky. Hey, yeah, you got me dancing a lingo. The way that you move in your window. Dancing a lingo, dancing a lingo. Yeah, you got me dancing a lingo. The way that you move in your window. Dancing a lingo, dancing a lingo, a lingo, a lingo. The way that you move in your window. Move in your window, move in your window. A lingo, a lingo. The way that you move in your window. Move in your window, move in your window.
There is always something worth fighting for.
Yeah, I treat my city like my baby. She shining like a dime, she my queenie, baby. I be on my throne on a daily. Welcome to the city of kings. Yeah, I treat my city like my baby. She shining like a dime, she my queenie, baby. I be on my throne on a daily. Welcome to the city of kings. Yeah, I treat my city like my baby. She shining like a dime, she my queenie, baby. I be on my throne on a daily. Welcome to the city of kings.
Ngiyanya makafela ke mfana master remind you phethe the flow ekwenza ufuna ukushaya insango ufuna ukushaya mo ufuna ukuphumula lesale
Sibize ade bephandle basondele phakathi. Abasemnyameni ngale emuva lani lisondele ngapha. Lisondele ngapha. I hope everyone has gotten something to drink, something to eat. Kadla ngicela ukubona wonke umuntu obuye lama khapha eStanley Square. Azakula umuntu ozenza ngathi usefikile empilweni nje umuntu leStanley Cup. Ungathi ngama C-type charges afika. Guys, akulo le C-type, akulo le C2C. I-C-type yani ithatha. oqhathekileyo ngomlilo. Thenga inkomiso ye$50. Uthela ihothe ye$6. Alisijwayela kubi bafana bakobulawayo. Uthola umuntu ephongeke kuhamba, for example ubani? KG umuntu omdala amhlonipheni. Hayi. UKG uthwala uthiwa yi-Tupperware lokhuyana okobroka kudala lokhuyana. Vele Stanley ngathi Stanley ucabanga iStanley Square vele ngathi. Lokho koma Stanley Cup ngangicabanga ukuthi mepho Stanley wangikhona umuntu le mali kathi yikhona ukho kukhona. So ngicela wonke umuntu ophandle asondele phakathi. Ngicela ulethele ama-light Tom lami 2 seconds ngapho mbona ukuthi sebehlezi. Awungasalight sebehlezi. Ngicela abaphandle bangene phakathi. Abasemnyango livalele abaphandle besale bephandle. Bazwe ukuthi it's cold outside Stanley Hall. Comrade umuntu ahamba empini. Nakahamba umavuzwa so comrade. So I think about now if we are all ready ngicela izithale izandla ukhayela umakhelwane wakho uthi uphendukile. Ukade. Do you know when traveling, because as comics we travel a lot. You know what you are now an accomplished comedian. Maybe you are a semi-accomplished comedian or artist. Now usebhasini othi nxa ungena livele etoilet kubuza ukuthi ukhona yena umakhelwane wakho ngemic. Ayikhona liyana ibhasi othi nxa uyigadile ukuthi ande ibabereki yasina kuphenza kuthunda bhasi yakuyenda. But the worst part is when you are now an accomplished comedian or artist, when you are flying to destinations and shows, and then you have to sit next to iWatch Tower ku flights. Ama-Watch Tower nalo wazeqoqoda ezindlini zenu. Awuzake usibe sefremathineni le-Watch Tower aliqoqodi liyakuthalaza. Have you received? Ungireceive-ani futhi ngisuka lapha. Like sikuflight chomlami mina ngifuna ukubukela amayezi ngithumela uThombama abaseflabhus ukuthi uyakwazi ukuthi wena iyezi likhanya wena lokhu ngitshela ukuthi Christmas is not real suka lapha sasidla ijemu ngeChristmas thina. Ama-Watch Tower are the worst people to travel with. So ngisajombile kade sengijombile okungcono ngoba isithi cancel isimbhadala. Imali yebhizinisi phela ngathi yakwenza uzizwe ngcono. Ikubona uThombe ebhizinisi bengathiwa ngomahobho uthiwa ngomakhokhoba. There's a difference between umahobho nomakhokhoba. Umahobho uyacela i5 yogade esuke entumbane emthoveni athi anile 5 khiwa ukuyasala etown. Umakhokhoba uyachova ayefika emsebenzini. Levels. Umahobho uniform ingadabuka kuyathiwa siyakhipha kupay. Umakhokhoba kuyafaka i-requisition. I-requisition for lezi ezivela ngapha emakhokhoba ilokhuyana ukuthi i-Rizla ingadabuka so kuthiwa khiwa fake inye. So you ama-levels achini because a lot of people have been complaining ukuthi Bulawayo artists are broke. Bulawayo artists are not broke. Most of us are doing broke art. Why is it we are doing broke art? Awusoze ubuye wena kushow lizoshiya ikota ye2 keys. Lizangena ku stage akula umuntu ozawubhadala $100. At least lawe boleka imbodlela eJemerson lithe 2 keys phakathi lilahlisa amakhiwo. Because I've been a comedian for over 10 years and I know broke jokes from jokes that get you paid. When I was doing broke jokes ngangabi lomkhaba lo. Ngithi kade abengwebo indaba benganiki imali ngoba masese nyawo nathi no it's because wanathela ngaphi mntaka mama. Ayeli seyithola 5 li10 kuthiwa ithola 5 for a reason. Nali 10. And we also used to do these jokes ale racism, the tribalism. Amashona wathi amashona yale imali mntaka mama. As a broke joke. I don't do jokes about degrading Shonas anymore because they was hey, Mustafada, umele mbhadale imali endlini. Hayi Shona lemali, amandebela lemali. There's a difference between imali lemali. Imali iyathenga iphaso ngama installments. Imali iyathengela igirlfriend yakho ngetransfer utshwala ngemali yephaso. So as artists koBulawayo, uThaliso was to complain ukuthi Kongona we need to be united. We also need to educate each other ngokuthi Kongona, let's make art elemali guys. Asitsho ukuthi Kongona hayi asichazene nabantu. Like for example, there's jokes thulanini phela lapha ngifuna ukunya asithulenini. Shh. There's jokes about the A, B, C, D, L, G, B, T, Q, I plus community before Trump. Those were broke jokes. Khathesi asengakuzama ukuthi visa yekwinuki. I'm just saying nje kuphela. Fana ukuthi khona apha angitsho ukuthi amanzi akhona endlini kodwa kawakho. Kodwa ngeke ngikhulume ngakho ngoba ngeke lokukhona. If I was going to make a joke about amaswiri agijima, I wasn't gonna get paid. So broke jokes. Know your audience. So ngicela ichale kakhulu iCity Council izandla for supporting the arts koBulawayo and continuing this festival going on. Likhala lifuna lingafuni. iCity Council ithi phambili masiye phambili ngalomsebenzi. So right now I'm going to call a sister that I love very much. All beats ngamthanda. Ngikhulume kohlani? All beat oh phela isikhiwa. Abutho esenza igeography singambuza ngamatshe lo. I-geologist phela lo. The tectonic plates are shifting from Makokoba to but she's one of the renowned poets koBulawayo ngicela ukuthi so poetry lifundise, we are here to learn. Lenze kanje, we hope this production will go on kwamanye ama festival abaphandle la bangena. Ngicela lenze so wonke umuntu. Just click your fingers. Snap your fingers. Like this. And everyone just shut down the noise. Give it up for Sonko Mose!
Sengifikile mina imbongikazi yawena bayibiza ngendlovukazi. Bathi mangihaya imthambo yegazi yavuleka kwamagama igazi ligijime ngamandla. Bathi kuvuka usinga izikhali zami inkuni zami izwi lami uma ngizibasela. Bathi bayethe khwini ngiyakhuleka ngasemakhokhobe emzini wabalobi, emzini wabaqeqeshi, emzini wabadlali. Ngiyakhuleka emakhokhoba koBulawayo komfazi ushaya indoda konyama kayipheli kuphela amazinyo endoda kochisa nyama chichinana akuvumi ukubana ngithule. It is the home of greatness, gratified by the mighty basilica, born of granite and crowned by copper. Umuzi ogaya amabelebele ingwebu, ikhaya likanyongolo uFather Zimbabwe uChibwe Chiteta, the home of the mighty National Railway Museum. It is a picturesque province. It is my bone tilikitili motolo motolo pam tolo volo motolo patilinga adis maringa handi tora mwendo wa kanganga. Saliwanani Muli Kaboto, Muli Bwanji. Kumnandi ukuba lapha. But ngalesi sikhathi ngicela ukulidanisa kancane. Inhliziyo yami iba buhlungu manginanzelela indlela abafowethu abazibulala ngakhona ngokuthi amadoda must not cry. Wemadoda sabelani, wemadoda sabelani, imibuzo engangenkanyezi yadidizela engqondweni yami. Ngiyazibuza kanenga ngiyithola impendulo mhlawumbe ungangisiza. Baba, wasuzaca kangaka kwenze njani? Mfowethu, wangathi awusaphilanga ekhanda kwenze njani? Malume, wasuzithumela kogoqanyawo kwenze njani? Umhlaba uyindidali yakwazi kodwa. Siyadiyazela nje sihlungethwe ezinhlungu zawo, sihlatshwa zinsaba zenzondo, lakho ezimfeni ulimi luphothula luganqama enzikini yobuthakathaka babafelwakazi. Impumeleli yasiqhelanisa siphenduka inja lengwe, bathi inyembezi zendoda sithontele esifubeni okusho ukuthi inhlungu zesilisa imfa yayo. Bathi khuluma mfowethu uthola usizo. Wakhuluma, bakubethele esiphambanweni ongasazi ufela sono sokusho, isono sokuthemba, isono sokukhuluma lezi ezikulalisa ngaphandle kwengubo. Bayangcwatshwa abafowethu mihla namalanga, bafela imbonana bayibone ebulenjini, bafela ubudodo obuchazwe ngumuntu kazana. Bathi khuluma mfowethu uthola usizo. Wakhuluma, qethu ngesiphundu. uZulu uyagegedeka kube yindaba engaka. Kuthi umfowethu azabone kungcono ukuzithumela kogoqanyawo. Siyophelela laphi isilisa ngiyabuza. Ethuneni na mhlawumbe sizokukhuluma. Ngalesi sikhathi ngiyaninqolonga lonke besilisa ngithi wemadoda sabelani. Thank you. Right. Sonke sila. We have a sister, we have a mother, we have a girlfriend, we have a woman in our lives, we have anything. So, dear woman, in this journey, we are in a warfare. One that will never take us down because we are warriors, we are survivors, we are conquerors. We hold greater capabilities that exceeds the value of emerald. We hold greater weights that exceeds burdens. Sizindlovukazi osondo khulu, omhlatho ongehlulwa thambo, ontaba kayibhodwa, ontaba kayikhonjwa. Siyaqhakaza siqoloshe siqonde emagumeni, sibanqolo ngebonke sibethela inganekwane zakithi ngesingathi isimame. Ngithi kuwe mhlaba, ungamthatheli phansi owesifazane. Uyathanda kodwa ulakho ukukuchaphaza. Uyanaka kodwa ulakho ukukwethesa amalahle ekhanda. Uyaxola kodwa ulakho ukuvulela lesiyasifeba asikhiyele enhlizweni yakhe wangasihlekeleli ngoba ezihlonipha. Kuwe mhlaba, umhlonipho wesifazane ngoba uyamomotheka noma esenhlungwini. Dear woman, you are a tapestry of tales woven through time, rich in detail and meaning so bright. Ungusondo khulu. Akuvumi ukubana ngithule ngoba wena ongowesifazane. Amandla waquketheyo adlula izinlwandle. Umcabango wakho kawuzwisiseki uqala nje kuyinto esomekayo. Abantu abawuzwisisi. You are the woman that you think you are. Continue to shower your mind with knowledge. Take care of yourself. Prune your heart with dedication because you are a flower that blooms every season. Thank you. So, sisakhona apha kule poem yami ethi the war cry continues. ngikhangele ngabona ngalalela ngezwa ngabizwa ngasabela sabela lawe. The cloud above the mountain of Sorrowland showers the stories of great warriors of misery, ones who ooze day and night, sharing the unfamiliar chapter of their unfortunate blanket of life that knows no boundary to the ethically man-made troubles of this world. Fear gripped by an unfamiliar rage, being born a shemale termed a natural crime. Being born a girl is an excuse enough to be divulged by these merciless beasts. Their claws sink deep within our fragile souls, ripping our tiny hearts, shutting our life desires. Isifazane sihlungiwe siyathungathwa, sonile soneso nokuzalwa siyisifazane, siyafa sifelize lobuwula besilisa bayazibusa bathi umhlaba ngowabo. Yeyeni batayi, nansi ngulubi nginonele. Khuza gogo siyavungama isizwe, khuza khokho siyahlasela isilo. A change of mindset is what we long for. Real protection of our sovereign rights is our greatest desire. Unite, ye fellows in Bogodo. Arise and face these predicaments head on. For this is our war. We ought to stand together and conquer forever. Ininewe tineba sarakanyanyisa. Thank you. So, Kates, I feel like ngisendele ex-boyfriend yami I WhatsApp message. Kodwa anti zonke silama ex Notamabi amahle, that one ex office ukuthi ngabe ngiyambiza back. All right, sweet. Ngiza invite uThaluso, the poet. Ifoni yami nganisele ngicela imboleke ifoni. Inamba yakhe ngiyayazi ngekhanda anyways ayiseva ngeWhatsApp.
This is Thaluso the poet. Izolo benguthanda lamhlanje la kusasa ngiyabe ngilokho
ngikuthanda
bese ngamelwe injabulo mina lawe I wish isihlahla lemduli kulamehlo lemlomo bokuyofakaza ngobuhle babone ethandweni lethu akuhlala ungehliyo ndluliswa amazwi endudizo mina nawe silahlekelwe amangamabi
angazi ngikhale ngokuhlukana lawe kumbe ngijabule ngoba ngazana lawe kuthi ngiuhlabo ngelamkhawulo phinde ngiziduduze ngoba yikho esasikubekelwe impilo
life I will never regret or curse the day I met you cause imhla sihlangana mina ngangiliphupho elaliphuka amaphiko wena wangithatha wangenza umuntu ngiyabonga through thick and thin wena bewulami ngikhala ungithulisa entwasa lasehlobo wena bewulami kusina kuchisa sayibamba injalo yaze yapholela ezandleni wangibonisa impilo ngazifunda ngazithola lamhlanje ngiyazazi ukuthi ngingobani you sacrificed a lot for me you sacrificed your happiness for me wangipha injabulo yamahala happiness without terms and conditions.
Injabulo engayithola kuwe yaba ingcosana kodwa la namuhla lokhu idindo komchiso enhlizweni yami. Ngisafisa ukukubiza sithandwa sami kodwa isimo kasisavumi. Kodwa kungasenani ngingulo esengilaye ngoba wangenza ngananzelela ukuba ngelihlo lothando ubona okuhle kodwa ngomlomo wothando ukhuluma amagama akhayo kodwa kuthi ngendlebe zothando zokufaneleyo kade ukubekezela kungumuthi.
I can't hold a grudge for you just because uthando soluphelile kuwe. Plus besibancane ngesikhathi sakhona we never knew the true definition of love. Lamhlanje sesikhulile impilo sesibona from different angles. Mina ngibona i-right angle.
Mina ngibona iskalini.
Mina ngibona isosceles.
Mina ngibona i-equilateral.
Khona kuyi-rhombus. Sonke besirong. Plus nxa sikhula sibona okunye okulahlekileyo. Uthando kulahleke kulokho bekade sikuthanda. Amehlo abona okunye indlebe zizwa okunye. Amakhala nukisa okunye umlomo ukhuluma okunye ulimi lukhotho okunye kucine kulahleka uthando kuzinto lezi ebekade sizithanda ngakho ke sikuficile leso sikhathi sokuthi wena uthola injabulo ngale kwami is fine hamba sithandwa sami mina uthando lwethu ngizolulilela ngiluzilele.
Xola ngoba wangakha qeda kwahlala abanye. Wampheka qeda ngaphakwa ngabanye. Lokhu kwenza kube nzima ukukulibala, kuphinde kube nzima ukukukhumbula ukubana kangiselawe. I cannot call you my ex or erase the memories or stop talking about you. And I would have been shattered if I did not find someone like you. Because you were the best. Guys, you are such a lovely audience. Mina, ngingusonko Mose uMamgabhu ujobeka langa ujobeka amantshalo umsongo wensimba ithwale ekhanda ngoba ethi amagwala ayobaleka. Thina sadla inyama phezu komzinyathi siyidonsisa nabezitshe zibukhazikhazi. Ngiyintokozo egxoba kuzwakale kuzama zama umhlaba kuvungusa umoya kuzungusa imithi phakama amaphepha kuthitha ibali insizwa siyibamba ngale. Ngithi hayi khululekani izinsizwa ngisangalibambisa ingalo amabele kodwa isibaya sika baba hayi cha. Ngivumeleni ngithi ngiyalithanda lonke bakondlovu ogatsheni oboya benyatho obusonga busombuluke. Ngiyalithanda lonke bakoncube omazilankatho onkatha kayingena ekhaya yangena kubola izinkaba zabantwana. Ngiyalithanda lonke bojamela ovodloza osibande omhlatho ongehlulwa thambo. Ngiyalithanda lonke bokhumalo ombulazi omtungwa. Ngiyalithanda lonke bodube ongizama. Ngiyalithanda lonke bomoyo osayi ovuma balanda abahlalisa umzilikazi esihlalweni sobukhosi. Ngiyalithanda lonke boshabangu okhathide ontshinga ngithi nibahle lonke. Angazi noma bakhona abangale eMpumalanga ngithi ehoyi soko vuthi tjena makwira mithi mahom hom. Ngiyabonga. Thank you. Ngiyabonga.
Thato wakho. Kukuphi ekhaya? 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 Yeah, ngicela uzonke umuntu Bulawayo Festival is on. Yeah, ayikhona lokho unyo ngama festival. Okuphongweziwa nje emagwegwe. Uzothola kule festival. Ubuye labangani bakho ngicela izishayile izandla. Hey. Sewezwa ama-ex ngale muva zona ayikho ngakuyalela khona khonokho. Yeah. Guys, kuselinyenyezelani phambili khonapho. Yeah. So right now umuntu emfuna ukumbiza basamkhangele ngale muva usatshintsha impahla. Esatshintsha impahla. Ukhona umunye obona ngathi yebo sikuzwe baba. Yabona emhlangano kuzivuthe abantu esingabafuniyo bona. Sesiqedile umhlangano siphakamisa izandla. Highlight litshontsho embani. Sizwe baba khuluma. Sondela ngapha mtshayeleni izandla. Buye emphakathini. Ilezi esigqoka amachino labo baba nje sikhwela buya ngapha baba. Ngathi khwela bese ngikhuluma inhlamba. Mana ngubambe. Qala ithule phela ama 2K aka 1980.
Bakuthi ngilesicelo la. Uthi nxa uzaba lento enzengaleyi sazisa umakhokho bomuhle. Wenzele ukuthi asifuni icrowd enje so. Sifuna ukuthi abantu bagcwale ubukeke usasa. Waza ukuthi umakhokho obunjani ukhona.
Ariel mthela izandla umakhokhoba. Sorry. Siyabonga amakhokhoba. Bayithi ubulawayo ule culture yakhe yedwa ejabulisayo ukuthi loba kunjani angithi kuba mnandi bengisithi ngizalitshela enye ijoke but asengicabanga ukuthi mana nishiyane layo ngicabanga ukuthi bengicabanga isidindi sengishiyana laso phela yaza kulanto ebhowayo njengokuthi konkona utshela abantu isidindi bakukhangele fanele uthi ubizele umchova abangangeni uyahamba ma leya etown 4 asahambe uyahlanya lo nqawule problem lamawindi siza kubona usuphuma lapha. You don't have a car, you're not driving, you're being driven and open the door for without a chauffeur. Aso chauffeur ngitsho umntwana okuvulelayo udrive omnye ahambe. So Kadesi ngizacela one of the comedians, he's a fairly new comedian, ngicela lichaye izandla kancane abalomsindo lime kancane asibhadalelanga lena sibhadale imali eziningi kakhulu njenge-city council njengomunicipality ukuthi abantu bazohleka mahara la. Sithethe imali yesuriji, sathatha imali yamanzi yezakhamizi esigodweni le, saphikisana ukuthi umeya indaba egqoka isudu engagqokanga indlukula uthi libuye lizohleka lonke la kade liqakeza iminwe lithi kodwa libhizi liyakhuluma libhizi liyabhebhetha. Njengomazaya sikujabuleli khonoko sifuna ukuthi nxa sikhipha imali engaka ukuthi abantu bethu bazama ukuziphilisa bagcina iziso ezingasozabo asiyaqamba amabizo lani libasekela yithi zakhamizi nxa sokusehlula sebiza abafana bamabhemba. So ke ngokuzehlisa okukhulu nangokulihlonipha okukhulu lani lizehlise njengoba bozehlisa kumama endlini nxa edla ipheyi yonke. Ngicela ukuthi kathesi sihlanganise izandla sizichaye kakhulu, sizichayela icomedian elilandelayo okuthiwa uGeneral Leslie Masuku.
My comedian is senza kanje so and it's month end and awula mali rent and you're wondering can follow wenzalo why lokho ebhoda kanje can follow umzion follow wenzalo like oh bengifuna ukuthi sibhadele by the way awubhadalanga no it's fine. It's one of those things and oh acting mayor sehambile and it's so usual for black people abakwazi ukuqeda. Black people can't come. Nyadala. But you know, Reason why Gobulawayo is still a white mayor is for our development as Bulawayo. Imagine if we have a black mayor all the way, still a black mayor. We would be having situations like, I'm poor mayor officing la, Mkotoy. Funu buya la lo bushona bako la uzongikhiphe officing. But now that we have a white mayor, you know, have you ever visited a white guy in so and you get there and you're like, that's a very beautiful TV set. Like, you like it? Yeah, I like it. Oh, you can have it. You know, ngabelungu laba nti. But I remember at one point when Hlezi Mchoven and there was a black guy, like when I say black, I mean black. So there was a black guy obehlezi eceleni kwami. Then driver uthi ule Bluetooth. Then this guy says le Bluetooth athi dlala ingoma. Abe seqala ukudlala ingoma so and we were driving to Makwekwe. Then ngithi ku guy, "Bra, ngosha itune leli." Athi kimi, "Yeah. Yimi lishayayo nja yami." As black people, we automatically qualify each other to be animals. You're so proud to be called Njayam. Grand ne? Zithini lezimpisi lezi Njayam. And you're so proud. So, ngiseceleni kwakhe and I'm like, "Brah, that's a nice tune, brah. Ngicela ungisendele." Abe sesithi kimi, "Ngicela ulikhweze mbishana so that people can get the feeling." Bengikade uSoul Kent athi kimi, "You know what? Leli bra lithole nzima eHebrew leli bra ngeke ulithole. Ngeke ulithole bra. Uyazi ukuthi even uma ungahamba online leli bra ngeke ulithole bra." So I then decide to ask, Mnganom, mbani oshaya itrack leli? That's why you realize ukuthi black people are intelligent to a certain extent. Ule track efonini but akazi ukuthi mbani walithaya. But because we are so proud as black people, and so ngithi angikwazi ukuthi mbani walithaya. This is what I will say. Karona uyazi kwaito bra. Awuyazi kwaito maye ufuna unsendele ungayazi kwaito uhlalisa kuba amapansula bra. Bras awula okapu membalo nhle ngimbhaskele kareza hlabhore. Yabonga bayithithi. We go through a lot as black people. For example, me in my life, I'm responsible for what I am right now. Imagine moving from a pastor to a comedian. Doesn't make sense. At some point, I was eating offering money. But look at me today. No one paid to be here. And no matter how much I crack jokes, there is no one that will come with a seat. And even if I say, okay, like at one time, my pastor said, I have these handkerchiefs. Yeah. And this is the time when the Catholic priest will say, Tata lomnikelo ufake lapho kungafiki khona abantu ukwenzela ukuthi ngingaqeda lo mthandazo ngiyedakwa. Ibandla lithini. Let me keep it safe, Sisemakokoba. Crossfire. So I was telling you, Ishisha ile. Skasa shisha manje. Guys, lenjelo ukuthi sokuyishisha ne. So like I was saying to you guys, there was a time where my pastor brought some white handkerchiefs in church. Then umfundisi wathi kimi, these handkerchiefs are going for $10. Whatever that you hit with these handkerchiefs, it will become yours. Have you ever guys encountered that? So the moment I gave my $10, I collected my handkerchiefs, and everyone was paying $10 and collecting handkerchiefs. And I saw some guys going out, bechaya izimota, bechaya amadoda abantu, bechaya imchova, you know, bechaya David Coulthard, you know, izinto bezichaya. And I decided, no man, why kumele ngichaya izinto? Ngabe ngithatha i-handkerchief yami, ngabe ngiseshawa umfundisi. That was my last day in that church. I remember the pastor looked at me like this, and I don't know what's wrong with the Pentecostal churches. The pastors are so lazy, extremely lazy. They can't pronounce a 4-letter word. F-I-R-E, fire. They can't pronounce that word. So the moment in Tati handkerchief yami, the pastor looked at me and was like, the Spirit of the Lord is upon me and my eyes are open. Church, can I prophesy? Then the church says, prophesy. Then the pastor looked straight at me. And this is exactly what he said. Fa! Fa! Come on, Spirit. Come on, you Spirit. The only spirit that I had in my system was discovery. And now I was wondering whether to vomit. How do I take out the spirit? I was now looking for the uniral, you know, to say, I want to take out the spirit, but another wrong choice that I made in my life. You know, when you're in school, and school is a beautiful place for you to grow in terms of how you think and all sorts of things. For example, if I had gone to Falcon College, I know that immediately after school, I was going to be a businessman. Because I'm very and those spoiled brats have got iPhones and laptops. So immediately after school, I was going to have 11 iPhones, 12 laptops, and maybe a Honda Fit or an Aqua, you know. You know, something, you know. But imagine going to Nhlamba Baloyi, and your parents expect you to make it in life, Nhlamba Baloyi, or Machaiskova. The only thing that you know is the reggae, you know. And even when people are discussing about the war in Ukraine, and they're discussing, you know what, man, there's a war in Ukraine, and I'm thinking, how about do you mine some lithium and supply Russia? The only thing that we are thinking of is asibatholeni ngama weapon abangawazi. You know, the moment they say freeze, we freeze. They say lift up your hands, siyaphakamisa izandla, then we walk to our stations. Bra uyazi ibhawudo libuhlungu kanjani mawungayikhipha soyirekeni bengayikhangelelanga eUkraine. You know, mina phela mfunde eMachaiskova, bra. And it's difficult. Even our dreams are determined by where you go in terms of his school. You are in Midlands Christian College, and your dreams are like, when I grow up, I want to be Sewinil Chivayo, except for the weight. But if you are in maybe, no offense, Andy. I remember Mina, the days that I was in school, my girlfriends were always Natasha, Michelle, you know, Lisa, those names, eh? And it's not like you don't find those names, ekas. There's always a Michelle, a Natasha, a Lorraine, ekas. But kasi people don't know those names. They have their own names for those people. And the Michelle doesn't know that they are Michelle unless they meet me in town. That's the only time they become Michelle. I remember at some time, I had my girlfriend Natasha Ekas. Then I went to visit Natasha and I got lost and my phone was off. Ngoba wayemfakele location. Reason being, abazali bebengekho and you know. No further questions, Your Honor. So, Semfikile Ekas now and my phone is off. So I'm now looking for. So I then decide to ask, guys, do you know a Natasha? And I'm Kasi. You know, there are people that study journalism and they don't become journalists. And there are people that never study journalism but become journalists. Have you ever seen those guys preaching so that give you every information about somebody to the extent that even that person does not have that information about themselves? Have you ever been in a situation whereby you're looking for your Natasha and this guy ati Ebra, Tingo Natasha? Then you say, yeah, I'm looking for Natasha. Bra. Natasha lo o esigi. Bra, when I was to Natasha right now, 2 months pregnant, and the last month to keep his sis. No, maybe I sue Natasha Mtinga. Maybe Tinga lo abage ba kipeli mpahla zabo phandle ngibo ngoba bengabhadalanga irent. And I was a stepfather wakho wayeli kajele. There are always those people. So I was so unfortunate to encounter somebody like that. And I'm looking for my Natasha Ekas. You know, I'm looking for my Natasha Epra Lemazu Natasha. And this guy says, Natasha. Natasha, yo, Natasha. Oh, Natasha. I like us la agula Natasha la. Lo pengula agula Natasha la. No, agula Natasha. Ucheri ongani ule class ngomapi. Yemcavu mapi? No, yemcavu mapi. Mapi uhlala ekoneni lapha umcavi. I know Bram from Queen's Park, so I'm Mcavu mapi. Oh, okay. Manangutshele Bram ngomapi. Yabona kulenye ayisuzu so D-Max so eli white so liyabuya every day intambama lizochiyo mapi. Yabona i-member yakho na so uyabo so mawungadlalela duze lo mapi ziyakhala member yami ziyakhala. But no man, I saw mapi Natasha. And unfortunately you know, abo Natasha, abo Michelle, abo Lisa, abekasi, they've got other names asebenza ekasi. You know, it's like the alcohol that is drank ekasi ayivumi ukuthi umuntu athi encyclopedia. Ayivumi so. Ayivumi because you can't move from Tatankau to encyclopedia. Akuvumi. So even if ulebizo elihle like Lorraine, they find something so uzo sokuthiwa lo ngunantontolozi. Nantontolozi. How far nantontolozi? Uyaphi nantontolozi? So my Natasha had a Kasi name that I was not aware of. And Natasha did not warn me ukuthi le Kasi name. So lokwenza busy and Natasha is now impatient essentially, so decides short skirt, heels, and a crop top. What in your bus stop, near Chekan, and then Pism Nalama chance, local Mbosa. So Natasha is moving from Atini, and you know, Natasha is Natasha Ring, you know. Then ma uNatasha ephuma so eyadina nje. Ama-gents abuza uNatasha ukuthi uyamazi yini uNatasha. Bari basebenzisa ibizo likaNatasha elegazi ukubuza uNatasha ukuthi uyamazi yini uNatasha. So ama-gents athi, wena Sonkomose, uyamazi uNatasha wena? Umtshitha lo udinga uNatasha lo. And now I'm wondering, Natasha uSonkomose. Hambani la. Natasha wami. uSonkomose. You know, I just decided to let it slide. And 3 months down the line, not for a very bad cause, I just decided to be a gentleman, do an HIV test, which most of you haven't done, and it's okay, it's your life. Who am I to judge? After all, I'm wearing black. So I decided to go for an HIV test after my encounter with Natasha Sonkomose. And remember, my type of ladies, with my black and the smoke, so ngong, ngong, ngong. Guys, I'm an orphan. Plus David Coltart akekho. You know, the way we are so broke as artists, but not like this. I was going to do it something like this. You know, you was going to feel appreciated. And because of David Coltart, I'll tell you about Natasha just now. Because of David Coltart, yikubona amanye problems is rectified empilweni yethu, especially us. Because we've got counselors like Abo Mabutho Bempopo, that only went as far as Form 2 second term. And bakule in abusive families whereby every day umdala ubengena endlini ethwele uswazi so. So uthe ku Form 2 Mabutho. Then one of the teachers decided to go in a class in a Toluso, so Mabuto Wekanye Windy. That was the last day in school. So there will be a situation where Coltart will say, guys, there is so much noise in town. And my 80th, there is so much noise in town. Ukuluma ngabantu about 3. Let me tell you about those people. The first one is Silomutu amazinyo la dola. The second one is isifikile isilamuva chemical thina asiqambi manga silomuthi obulala izinanakazana zonke. And the third one, short time lapakiwa $5. $5 is short time. Short time, $5. I don't know why they call it short time. Linganchela Machens, I have seen most of you. Lefagi stopwatch. Is it like the Usain Bolt type of, you know, like the rapid one where you fall back straight? So Coltart heard all that noise, and Coltart was like, there's so much noise in town. So, my dear counselors, we need to find a way to rectify this situation. Umabuto wahle weqonga rectify. Umabuto wathi ku counselor, yes, Coltart, rectify. Then the rest of the other counselors were like, rectify, 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 rectify. Then uKolthat wasedinga izihlobo zabantu abaku-council as unemployed, wazigqokisa ama-uniform ayi-blue. Zaseziphiwa ibizo elihle kakhulu elithi, guys, from today you're no longer Stanley, you're no longer Leslie, you're no longer Leroy. From today you guys are Makokova. All of you, you're Makokova, you play a pivotal role in this town. And those guys got excited with the term pivotal. And they were like, pivotal, pivotal. And they were all over the streets. And the next thing, Emini, you can just walk in town, you know, pivotally, you know. There's just nothing, you know. You're walking there pivotally, you know. And those guys are just there doing absolutely nothing. You know, for those abake bahlala ekhaya, it's like odoli labana sibafaka ensimini ukuxotsha inyoni, you know. The whole day, omakhokoba, they're just there like. Ma ufuna ukufaka ama-cement akho then ubone. Like ababopha, asusukeni la. And all the noise was gone. Okay, I'm sorry. Natasha, yes. Natasha. Guys, it's not my problem ukuthi lidlala labo Senzeni, Stutuzile, Bunandi Bugayise. It's not my problem. Okay, me and my Natasha. And at some point in my life, I dated a Stutuzile and a Senzeni. In my life. The only problem is when you have a Natasha and they are telling you that they are about to go to work in the morning when you go for a sleepover. I don't have to explain a sleepover to you guys. So when you go for a sleepover, Natasha will wake up in the morning and is like, hey love, I have to go to work now. So what you can do is just lock all the doors and just leave the keys with the catman. Thank you, baby. Then you have your morning gown and you wake up in the morning, there's some prawns. But, maungaya go sleep over, kasitutuzi. And you're sleeping there and this tutuzi luyavuka saying, Ebra. Wiki bra. Just 2 rounds la manje lokhu guzile bra. Aswinja yami nsahereza nti enza kuphela asaphela nja yami anti. And the beautiful thing about our Stutuzile labo Senzeni is for sure bahereza bra. Those are the ladies that you find emagetini ebehave besithi lapha kuvuliwe, lapha kuvuliwe, lapha kuvuliwe, and they always have the same language, always same language when they are addressing their men. Akula nto okuthiwa baby or love or anything. No. Sochalam. So namhlum kapela maros ne awuntshele socha nginyosi mina. But Natasha now will be like, thank you so much, love, for the roses that you've brought me. So like I said, ngahamba for an HIV test. Ngafika, and there is something stupid about the doctors. They will tell you something that you don't want to hear in a way that you want to hear it. It will be something like this. Leslie, we are grateful that you are not HIV positive, but we've got a small problem. You've got chlamydia. So when the doctor said to me, Leslie, you've got chlamydia, I got excited. For the first time in my life, besides my name Leslie, I had something English in my life, you know. I've got chlamydia. Then the doctor had to explain to me what chlamydia is. After the doctor explained to me, I then started thinking, ngile chlamydia. So now that I have chlamydia, I know angeke ube ngusitutuzile man. Situtuzile angeke abele chlamydia. Angeke ube ngusenzeni chlamydia like chlamydia maybe ngiyithole benside. So I then started thinking, maybe umuntu onikeze chlamydia nguNatasha. Natasha nguye le chlamydia. Because imkhuhlane esigula egazi angeke ibe chlamydia, angeke ibe anxiety. No, angeke bra. Egazi mawuvuka ekseni awula babalazi. Bra mangizizwa man, angizizwa sharp man. Uyazi ngani lokuyisiyezi so. Bra ngizizwa. So I then started thinking, umuntu onikeze ichlamydia mbani. I then thought, okay, it's that day when I got this scar. You know what happened when I got this scar? Okay, I'm about to go. Let me tell you what happened. Ngize ngithole le scar. I smoked weed for the first time in my entire life. After smoking weed, benzama ukukrossa kuleyo Takawira, abadala babemuthi nguSolomon. So crossing Leopold Takawira, after smoking weed, I saw like a car race because there were 2 motorbikes and a lot of cars. And I thought, this is a car race. Then I started shouting, Mkomana, Mkomana. I only realized it was a presidential motorcade after I got this car. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Leslie.
I treat my city like my baby. She shining like a dime, she my queenie, baby. I be on my throne on a daily. Welcome to
Yeah.
the city of kings.
Asemthaleni Sandro Leslie. Awu Leslie leza as a constitution. Nxa kuthiwe khona amanzi abuya ngo5 yena yakwanisa ukwaletha ngo7 limtshayeni izandla. So Ibulawa Arts Festival, ladies and gentlemen, is going on until the 7th of June. Different venues around Bulawayo. Sazophenduka khona lapha, sazoba se-City Hall, sazoba Bulawayo Theatre, sazoba kuma venues amaningi. And all of the events are free. Ngicela ukuzwa umuntu ethi all the events are free. Yes. Yeah, yikho ukhona phela. Yiyo yodwa ifestival engalithathela imali. Mina ngokuthi vela mbhemi igwaya ndithandi. Igwaya vela ngizange ngalithanda. I've never been to the auction floors by George Slundiga. But right about now, ngicela ukuthi our headline act for today, because we are celebrating Bulawayo, we are celebrating everything with this institution. Lento yangikhona khona, mina ngiyakhuluma isikhiwo esingathi sideep. Ngase ngikhuluma isikhiwo ngicela ngathi lethola. Comedy is a very complicated genre, and this particular act that I want to introduce right now is coming from right here in Makokoba. He's a very talented genius. I hope before you listen to him, you've ate something from those guys that are cooking whatever it is, you know. Kuthiwa yini inyama abavele UK free range. And right now, isikhiwo sinzima. Tshelani uNkosi King izandla. Lisekhona. Muripo. Give it up for Nkosi King all the way from 2 streets ahead. Give it up for Nkosi King in his own hometown. Our headline act for tonight. Asambe boy.
Fila, Tamahita, Mandela, Rapakeda, Unilever, Goborete, Emalema, Osagara Sakatalele, Osagara Seman, Tibiteri Nagasama Lisket, Skatesela Sadi Rastel, Seman, Cash Contam, Shanda Pa, Taiwana Maradana Gaida, Cash Contam, Shanda Pa.
Woo! Yeah. You guys, leash up. You guys, are you okay? It's nice. It's nice to ukubona abantu. Mzilikazi likhona? Makokoma? Rest of the world.
Sorry mngani wami. Sesenza ngathi kusemtchadweni. Tshona abantu abroke i-driveway. Siqala ivule amashanda pha ha afuna ukuphuma ha. Ngicela uphenduke mngani wami, I'll reintroduce you. Ngicela uphenduke ba ujayele kube wena.
Askies.
So nxa ephenduka ngicela izami lokhu the gentleman in the suit, the honorable, has asked, guys, ngiyabona phela imoto ezingathi ziyadura ungasonda fithi. Lebe ngakwazi ngobani, maybe nguye minister of lokho zenini. So yes, ukuthi ama-block driveway, livule driveway. So we are going to do this in a different way. From where he left off, lapha chiyele khona, azoqedisela khona, qhubekele khona. Cela lichaye izandla and give a round of applause for Nkosi King as he continues from where he left off. Sanda pa.
Fila, Tamahita, Mandela, Rapakeda, Unilever, Goborete, Emalema, Osagara Seman, Tibiteri Nagasama Lesman, Skatesela Sadi Rastel, Seman, Cash Contam, Shanda Pa, Taiwana Maradona Gaida,
Yeah. Woo! Guys, how are you guys? Libahle. Ngaliqo impahla ze Christmas. You okay, guys? Lately I've been feeling like some type of way. These days I'm feeling some type of way. I've been like, I'm in my bad boy era. Anselandaba. I don't give a fuck. Bengakudlala a couple of times. That's lapho vuka khona. Ubonti kayilahle life in. Abantwana laba, they are out to murder us. So I don't care. I used to back in the day because I was raised from a different background. Mina ngikhuliswe ngengoma ze R&B. Nxa ungifuna obozanga kimi baby. Uzothola incam baby. You get what I'm saying? Sikhule uthando lu real. Khathe sokwatshintsha. Liyakuhate 2K uzulu ibuza uthi kanti ngoneleni mina wami. Uzumphathe so mina wami ngikwenzeleni. Umhlaba esiphila kiwo awusekho lula, akusafani. Kunzima especially when you reach my age. Uyabona mina sengu age lana ukuthi all of my peers sebachata. So when mina ndebhati. That's pressure on me because umama doesn't make it easy on me. Umama make sure ukuthi uyantshela. Ngibona uThemba mfanami. Usahamba ngemoto awulomakoti lo mntwana omuhle. And then mina ekhanda lami ngicabanga ukuthi like Masalu, what's going on? Unnecessary pressure. Like I said, ngikhule emzilikazi. So chances are high ukuthi yathi uphuma ngo3 ekseni upressed bakubamba inkunzi eyadini. Usithi uyaqutha xa ifoni. That's where I'm from. And I'm proud of that. Mina ngikhule in a very big family. I'm from that family yokuthi abazali bethu laba nabahambe egoli and they never came back. Ngikhule labo mzala bami ubusithi ungasithola sikwanile kangani squatter camp. Kangani UNICEF. That's how we grew up. Nxa siphuma ekuseni sisiye esikolo kangani ivideo kaSarafina lapha freedom is coming. Sibanengi. So I never had special treatment. Anzange ngayitholi special treatment. La mina life yami ngamfisa ukuthi ngike ngithi get out of my room. Manje thina it was like our room. Because sasi-7. Ungaba nomuntu obumphunyukayo umsuzo. That's a natural disaster. At least one toddler died peacefully in his sleep. That's how I grew up. And in Kula, I had a cousin like who was a role model to those people who were in the early 2000s. I had a cousin who was older than us. Why is Chaya so we are in Uboswet? Cousin wami had that mind ukuthi uyaphuma usithi uyageza uphekela impahla wachiya le paint empedeni ulithole lingekho like what the fuck kanti kwenzakalani and aligqoke with a clean conscience. It's not like uyatshintsha step because he's not used to the corners. Usitshela ukuthi inxele ilahlekile mbayimbayo ubona imafisi ibamba iqolo kukhanya ukids.net. That's how I grew up. Ugogo wami was the Christian type. She wayemeka sure ukuthi sikhule enkosini. Sasivuka ekuseni. I'm a SDA by the way. So sasivuka ekuseni ngabo wa4. Nkosi egu uyabuze. That's how I grew up. Child abuse ngayijayela incane. Because I don't think ukuthi at the age of 3 ngangikwazi ukuthi sithandazelane. But I still had to go through that. Yindlela okuyiyo yona. My granny was that different kind. Ugogo wami kwakuyitype lana ukuthi yathutsha esikolo ungacabangeli. Uzambona inqaga lezivuvukileyo lamazikho. Leyo igiyabe ingani itshekile iqunyiwe, iqunye ngengqamu uzambona. They believed ukuthi umntwana kumele athintwe. I'm against that, but each generation yami we turned out fine. Ngenxa yokuthi sasichayo. Uyayazi impameko uchaya ulahlekelwe itest emlonyeni. So like bensakhuluma gogo. And then I continue as if nothing happened. That's how we grew up. Sikhule sikwazi ukuthi whatever oyenzayo ile consequence. Back in the day, abantwana made it show ukuthi you knew where you were in the food chain. Amagame njengabo Nyamaye Mbongolo. That game yakutshela ukuthi umubi like because like wakufika ekucineni. Ungafika ekucineni kuyabe kusela uFarayo. Akakhethwa. So he knew his place. That's how we grew up. Sikhule sikwazi ukuthi elifini whatever you do kumele ubeyazi indawo yakho. Kids these days abantwana these days bayakhula. Thina sakhula. I think most of us waba le phone usule 18 years usuzithengile. But kids these days they know how to use internet. They know how to use ama computer. Umntwana omncane ungamtshela ifoni yamthola ebhale Brazzers with the correct spelling. That's how quick these kids are. But as umhlaba uhamba, it's not only us humans as evolve. Amagundwane, they've been catching up. Amagundwane these days awahloniphi. Awalandaba. The moment kubuya abantu bemzini, uzalibona liyehla ekhetheni ngani iSwati. Libiza umfana. Amagundwane these days, I feel like ha update software. I discover ukuthi because you guys do you remember ibhuku? Ibhuku lelane le clue, you know it, right? Ibhuku lathi lifika it was doing great numbers. Wawuthola at least 10. Ama-juvenile abelele. Mama. Until wahlala phansi ama-gents discuss. Of course, liyabe likhona leliyane liyabe liyimafia. Elapho salabulawa uMangoye So kuthiwa irekeni lihleli once eli-fucked up. Yabe batshela ukuthi ungabona ibhuku, unganyatheli. Noma kule dobi. Because ibhuku these days libamba amahholo empukane. Amakundwane, it no longer works on them. Things are evolving. Impilo iyatshintsha. We are moving forward. And still inkukhu lokhu ezidoma. I understand umuntu engathi kimi yazi uyimbuzi yomuntu, but I cannot respect umuntu othi ngiyinkukhu yomuntu. What's that, bro? Inkukhu ubone ngani kulo muntu ongakufakela amanzi. Le light every day. Engela my intentions ngawe. Like what the hell? Ukuthi ngabe kule news zenkukhu uyabusizwa at least 400 bodies were recovered at Nando's. Because we live in those times. Akusafani. So growing up, I've been having challenges. Like I said, Obabami was a different kind of man. My dad used to be that super quiet guy. The only time I saw Obabami smile, that was like the only time I saw that guy smile. And I kind of let me what kind of a man are you? So I grew up with so much respect for him. And from him because he was like my Superman. Until we went for a drive. Sathi siye ekhaya this one time, sangena emoteni, sahamba. I think we were about at Shangani there. Angazi ukuthi umdala maybe he fell asleep or he panicked. Waphuma emgwaqweni. Xa ephuma emgwaqweni amuzwe. And I'm like, this guy's a bitch. Like, I do not expect that from my dad. And there I was keeping it manly. And I'm like, what's hard, God? It's crazy. Kubanzima. But you know what I found even more disrespectful when it comes to our relationship, guys? I think the most disrespectful thing a woman could ever do to a guy, you go to be fresh, she says, Salene. Akulanto ebuhlungu njengokubona umuntu wamyalayo eglowa. Usufile ngani ngxa ilove yakho yayimswabisa. There's bad publicity. That's why I feel like kumele add something on the constitution. Kumele kube le penalty, pain and suffering, under section 4.3, njolo. Patience, you've been found guilty for looking fresh as you are learning. How dare you? What are you trying to prove? We're living in those times. And I've been trying to juggle it. I heard Uti, my ex's mom called me sometime last week and she was like, sisters is in a coma. I didn't know how to act because she's one of those exes. That was like the bad news I've ever heard in Billionaire. I didn't know how to react. Guys, am I the only one who's petty to that point? Umuntu akutshela wathi, you will never be nothing elifini. Umbonelele lifeless. Like I was tempted ukuthi ngihambe ngichaye all black ewadini. Ngifike ngimthwalise nzima emadriphini. I can't be the only one like that. Come on, guys. You're making me seem like a villain. Because when it comes to Umoya movie, there were people like Uchaga. Uchaga lalisithi ngakhuluma kanye kanye selihambile. Abafe. That was Chaga for you. Ungamhlekisa kakhulu. Le ndoda inhlekisa kakhulu makafe. I cannot be that kind of person. So I've been going through some changes, just in case ngaba ngubaba, you know. I don't want ukuthi umntana nami nxa engikhangele I feel some way. I don't want that. I don't want those khumbule ekhaya kind of sins. You guys, do you ever imagine if ukhumbule ekhaya was in Zim, ngabe kwenzakalani? Sale bonani balaleli. Siyalamukela kuhlelo lwethu. Ole khumbule ekhaya. Oh baba uzengeni Chirakuda. Waqina ukubonakala egqoka i-trouser eyi-orange. Leskipa esiwu-yellow. Labantwana abangusikisi. Xa besithi labantwana abangusikisi kuyakuphuma wena laba nawa bakho. I don't want to be that. Because sakhuliswa ngobaba ababebaleka. Aphume ngani yagela. Funja gela lapha ndlule burial. The next thing umdala afike erenkini akhathi ibhasi Zambia sehlala eMaputo lo Petunia sebe labantwana abayi7. So I don't want that kind of scenario. Let's just say, for example, okwamanje. You're trying to connect. Ubaba wakho wasuka kudala. And there you are ukhumbule ekhaya. The next thing is post. Tholakala ukuthi umdala useZambia. And you know the situation in Zimbabwe. Kuyabe kuyasuka inqola eziyi6 elamadonki. Labe lafika after 1 week lidinwe. Ingcole. And you guys, have you ever noticed ukuthi when those guys bebathola bekhumbule ekhaya babe safa. Lokhana ukuthi umdala la yathi embona umntana sithi tata wangishiyelana. Yes. It never works. I don't want to be that kind of man. Ngesawa. Because sendiniwe ngokuphinda the same thing over and over. I've been trying to venture into new things, you know. A friend of mine was like, Nkosi, bro, I think I should take you out to the strip club. For umfana wekas, going to the strip club is a different story. Because sikubona kuma movie ndamanga machita. And I must tell you guys, the moment I walked in, the hospitality was beautiful. Everyone wanted to talk to me. Hello, Puti. Unjani, Puti. For the first time in life, I felt wanted. And then I imagine, like, our marriages, they are failing so much. And the only thing is a stripper pole bedroom. I don't think if every guy had a stripper pole bedroom, it was utu mama that him figure and chang, I'm crazy. I think it's a lunch song. Because there's something to go for. This is the life that we're living in right now. And I can say, Uguti, I'm blessed to be here at this point. Despite I'm happy to be here. I think my time is up. If it's on Nkosi King, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Sithanda ukulibonga lonke lingene emahara ababhadalileyo lana sithanda ukulibonga wonke umuntu. Remember, the festival is going on up until the 7th of June. Sitshintsha ama-venues. Sicela ukuthi khathesi siyabonga kakhulu. Ngicela ukulizwa lesithi Bulawayo Arts Festival. Yes, sikhona apha iviki yonke different venues around Bulawayo. Siyabonga isikhathi senu, siyabonga Iwinya Sounds, siyabonga everyone else, the performers, lani audience, the most important people. Siyabonga umntwana omncane adele apha, siyabonga ama-dance groups. Ngicela ukuthi sibonane nekusasa ekuseni futhi sisesithi holo sisiya eBulawayo Theatre. Asiqhubekeni kunjalo. It's Bulawayo Arts Festival, Bulawayo Culture Week. Sikhona apha koBulawayo, siyabonga kakhulu.